For chapter number 1 belong to social science, first chapter resources and development. We are going to do all MCQ questions belong to these chapters. First question is, which one of the following soils is ideal for growing cottons? A. Regular soils, B. laterite soils, C. desert soils, or D. mountain soils. The answer is A. regular soils. Now is second question. Soil is formed by the process of A. denunciations, B. gradations, C. weatherings, D. erosions. The answer is C. weatherings. Question number 3. Land left without cultivations for one or less than one agricultural year is called A. cultivables wastelands, B. current fallow lands, C. wasteland, D. none of these. Answer is B. current fallow land. Question number 4. There is enough for everybody need but not for anybody greeds. Who said this? A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, C. M.K. Gandhi, D. Surendranath Bahuguna. The answer is C. M.K. Gandhi. He said there is enough for everybody need but not for everybody greeds. Question number 5. Resources which are surveyed and their quantity and quality have been determined for utilizations are known as A. potential resources, B. stock, C. developed resources, D. resources. Answer is C. developed resources. Question number 6. Which one of the following statement is correct as regard to international resources? A. resources which are regulated by international institutions. B. resources which lie beyond the territorial waters. C. resources which are found along the international frontiers. D. resources which are not yet developed. Answer is resources which are regulated by international institutions. Question number 7. The first International Earth Summit was held in Geneva, New York, Japan, Rio de Janeiro. Answer is D. Rio de Janeiro. Question number 8. The most widespread relief features of India is mountains, forest, plain or plateaus. Answer is C. plains. Question number 9. Resources which are found in a regions but have not been utilized. Renewables, developed, national potentials. Answer is D. potential. Question number 10. Which one of the following statement is true about the term sources? A. resources are the free gift of nature. They are the functions of human activity. C. all of things which are found in nature. D. things which cannot be used, fulfill or need. Answer is B. They are the function of human activity. Question number 11. The red soil is red in color because it is rich in humus, it is rich in iron component, it is derived from the organoorganic, it is rich in the potash, it is rich in iron compounds. Soil formed by intense leaching is A. alluvial soils, B. red soils, C. laterite soils, D. desert soils. C. laterite soil. Question number 13. Which one of the following type of resources is iron ore? A. renewables, B. biotic, C. flow, D. non-renewables. Answer is D. non-renewables. Question number 14. Under the which of the following types of the resources can tidal energy, B. Put replenishables, B. Human made, C. Abiotic, D. Non-renewables. Answer is replenishable. Question number 15. Which one of the following is the main cause of the land degradations in Punjab? A. Intensive cultivations, B. Deforestation, C. Over irrigations, D. Over grazing. Answer is C. Over irrigations. Question number 16. In which one of the following state is the terrace cultivations practiced? A. Punjab, plain of Uttar Pradesh, Haryana or Uttaranchal. Answer is D. Uttaranchal. In which of the following state is black soil found? Jammu Kashmir, Gujarat, Rajasthan or Jharkhand? Answer is Gujarat. Gujarat had the found in the black soil. Question number 18. What percentage of our land should be under the forest according to the National Forest Policy 1952? Answer is A. 33. 19. Material in the environment which have the potentials to satisfy human need but human beings do not have appropriate technology to access them are called potential resources, stock, developed resources or reserve. Answer is B. Stocks. 20 number questions. India's territories water extended up to a distance of 12 kilometers, B. 12 nautical miles, C. 19.2 miles, D. 200 nautical miles. Answer is B. 12 nautical miles. Question number 21. Resources that takes along geographical times for their formations are called A. Renewable resources, B. Reserve, C. Community resources, D. Non-renewable resources. Answer is D. Non-renewable resources. Question number 22. Land that is left uncultivated for more than 5 agriculture year is called A. Pasture lands, B. Cultivables wastelands, C. Barren land, D. Current fallow. Answer is B. Cultivables wasteland. Question number 23. Area sown more than once in the agriculture year plus net sown area is known as A. Net sown area, B. Forest hours, C. Wasteland, D. Gross cropped area. Answer is D. Gross crops area. The total degrades land in our country is 133 million hectares, 130 million square kilometers, 140 million hectares, 130 million hectares. Answer is D. 130 million hectares. Question number 25. In which of the following state mining has caused severe land degradations? A. Gujarat, B. Jharkhand, C. Kerala, D. Uttaranchal. Answer is B. Jharkhand. Question number 26. The main cause of land degradation in Punjab, Haryana and Western Uttar Pradesh is A. Mining, B. Over irrigations, D. Deforestation and D. Over grazings. Answer is B. Over irrigations. Question number 27. Which is the most common soil of North India? A. Black soils, B. Laterite soils, C. Alluvial soils, D. Red soils. Answer is C. Alluvial soils. 28. Red soils is mostly found in part of Jammu and Kashmir, B. Upper Ganga plains, C. Eastern and southern part of Deccan plateaus, D. None of the above. The answer is C. Eastern and southern part of Deccan Plateaus. Question number 29. Red soil is reddish in color due to high clay contents, presence of conker nodules in the subsoils, diffusions of iron in igneous and the metamorphic rocks, and last, high moisture contents. Option is C. Diffusion of iron in igneous and metamorphic rocks. Question number 30. Which of the following is not important for soil formations? Relief, B. Parent rocks, C. Climate, D. Duration of day. Black soil is also called bangar, B. Khagar, C. Reber, D. Humus. Answer is C. Reber. Black soil are the common in Deccan Trap regions, B. Kashmir Valley, C. Ganga Valley, B. Northern Plains. Answer is Deccan Trap regions. Question number 33. Laterite soil is very useful for growing rice, wheat and mustard, B. Tea, coffee and cashewnut, C. pulses, sugar canes and regions, D. none of these. Answer is B. Tea, coffee and cashewnut is suitable for the laterite soils growing. Black soils is deficient in A. calcium carbonate, B. magnesium, C. potash, D. phosphoric content. Answer is D. phosphoric content. Question number 35. Which of the following soils has self-aeration capacity? A. alumina, B. red soils, C. black soils, D. mountain soils. Answer is C. black soils. Question number 36. Ploughing along the contour lines are desolate and the flow of water down the slope is called strip cropping, seed erosions, contour ploughing, or terrace cultivations. Answer is D. contour ploughing. Question number 37 and last question for this chapter, type of MCQ. Question number 36. Which of the following is not a measure for soils conservations? Strip croppings, B. terrace cultivations, C. shelter belt, D. over drawings of ground water. Answer is D. over drawing of ground water. Please subscribe this channel if you like.